Okay, good afternoon class. So today we're looking at the paper you guys have written, your paper 2. So please go through the paper and let me know if you have, at the end of the paper, you can let me know if there's something I haven't explained to you or something I've marked wrong. I'll award you the marks, just circle the question. Okay. Before question 1.1. Question says simplify or calculate the following. So what's negative times negative? Positive. So it's negative 9 plus 5. What's negative 9 plus 5? Negative 4. All agree with that? Okay. The answer is negative 4. Huh? Is that correct? Alright, let's go to the next one. Let me know when I'm going wrong. Okay. What's negative times positive? Negative. 4 times 2 is 8. Now 0 times anything is 0. So what's negative 8 plus 0? Negative. So the next question, 1.3. So negative times positive is negative, so it's negative 4 minus 8 over. Positive times negative is negative, 2 times 3 is 6. Negative 4 minus 8 is negative 12 over negative 6. What's negative divided by negative? Positive. 12 divided by 6 is 2. Okay. I could have just written 2. 1.4, what's the square root of 25? 5. Square root of 81 is 9. Divided by the square root of 9 is 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. 5 times 3 is 15. Okay. The next one, the positive divided by a negative divided by positive is negative. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Divided by 6 divided by positive divided by negative is negative. 6 divided by 3 is 2. What's negative divided by negative? Positive. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So this 2 or positive 2 is the same. 1.6, the question says simplify. I'm going to get rid of the brackets by multiplying it out. So it's negative 4a plus 5b minus c. Negative times positive is negative 2c. Negative times negative is positive 3b. Negative times positive is negative 8c. Negative 4a minus, negative 4a minus 2a. Negative 6a. 5b plus 3b is 8b. Minus c minus 8c is negative 9c. Alright. (1.7) we are told subtract negative 4x plus 12x squared from 4 plus 3x squared minus 3x. So according to, we know we must do whatever follows from, we're going to write first. So it's going to be 4 plus 3x squared. 4 plus 3x squared minus 3x minus brackets negative 4x plus 12x squared. So we're going to get rid of this brackets by multiplying it in here. So it's 4 plus 3x squared minus 3x plus 4x minus 12x squared. So now we're looking for like terms. 3x squared minus 12x squared is negative 9x squared. Negative 3x plus 4x is going to be positive x. plus 4. Or it's going to be negative 9x squared plus 4x plus x, or it can be 4 plus x minus 9x squared. It's all the same. Okay. Is that correct? Right. Consider the expression below and answer the questions that follow. We're looking at question 2.1. 2.1.1. How many terms are there in the expressions? How many terms are here? 4 terms. Okay. What's the coefficient of x squared? So the number in front of x squared is 3. Next question says, write down the constant term. The constant term is a term without a variable, which is 9. What's the degree of the expression? The degree is the highest exponent on x, which is 3. So it's the third degree. Okay. Muriel, what are you busy with, Michael? Huh? Why do you come to school if you're sitting in a maths class and busy with something other than maths? You just stay at home. 2.5. They ask you to write the expression in descending order. The descending order is supposed to be descending order of x, but okay, descending order. The highest exponent is 3. So it's negative 4x cubed plus 3x squared. Remember that the sign is part of the term. Minus 4x plus 9. Okay. Girl at the back. What you busy with? Yes. What are you busy with? Sorry? Nothing. You must take note of what's happening here. Don't be busy with nothing. Alright, so in number 2.1.6, the question says determine the value of the expression x equal to 1. So wherever I see x, I put a 1. So it's 9 plus 3 times 1 squared minus 4 times 1 cubed minus 4 times 1. So it's 9 plus 1 squared is 1, so it's 3 times 1 minus 4, 1 cubed is also 1 minus 4 times 1. So that will simply be 9 plus 3 times 1 is 3 minus 4 minus 4. So 9 plus 3 is 12, minus 4 is 8, minus 4 is 4. The answer is 4. Next. 2.2. Question says write down an algebraic expression for each of the following. The square of 2 times a number. The square of, so 2 times a number, square. I'm just going to make the number x. Okay. You could have made it anything other than x, any other variable. Okay. Come inside. Sorry about that. Alright, so 4 times the square of a number. So it's 4 times the square of a number. So it will be 4 multiplied by x squared, which is 4x squared. 8 is added to a number. 8 is added to a number. And the sum is divided by 2. So is that, or I could have written it as x plus 8 divided by 2 is the same. A number multiplied by 4, so x times 4. The product is subtracted from, so whatever follows from, you write first. Okay, so it's going to be 5 minus x times 4, which is 5 minus 4. There are x fish in a tank. How many fish are there in y tanks? X times y, which is x. Okay. Yes, Michael.
Sir, 42.4 Could you have also said like 4x minus 5?
No, it's not the same as 5 minus 4x. Okay. Whatever follows from you must write first. And I can show you why it's different. Because let's choose x to be 1. Okay, there's going to be 5 minus 4 times 1, which is 5 minus 4, which is 1. No? But you're asking, is 4x minus 5 the same? If x is 1, it should give you the same solution. So it's 4 times 1 minus 5. What's 4 times 1? 4 minus 5 is negative 1. Is negative 1 the same as 1? Not O. Negative. Okay, so it's not the same. Question 3, simplify the following. C squared plus C squared plus C squared. 3c squared. Not so. Next. What is 3a minus 2a? 3a minus 2a, people. A is a minus 5a. Negative 4a. 3p times p, 3p squared times p, 3p cubed times p, 3p4. 3 going to 3 once, 3 going to 6 twice. It's 2, the b's cancel. The answer is 2. 3.1.5. Do multiplication first. 3 times a is 3a. 4 times b times a is 4ab. And then negative 2 times a is negative 2a. Now we're going to look for like terms. 3a minus 2a is a plus 4ab. 3.1.6. To simplify, I must get rid of the brackets first. So 3 times x is 3x. 3 times negative y is negative 3y. Negative 2 times 2x is negative 4x. Negative 2 times negative y is positive 2y minus 3x. So now I'm going to look for like terms. Of course, those cancel in. So I'm left with negative 4x. And what is negative 3y plus 2y? Negative 1. The next one, we're going to put each one of its own in order to simplify. So it's 14a squared over 7d minus 7d over 7d. 7 going to 7 once, 7 going to 14 twice. So it's 2a squared over d minus, that cancels completely, 1. To 1.8. So of course we have to apply the exponent first. Okay, with that bracket. Also in the first bracket we're going to multiply those two out. So 2 times 3 is 6. A cubed times a is going to be a4. B squared times. Negative squared is positive. 3 squared is 9. 2 times 2 is 4. B squared. What's 6 times 9? 54. A4 times A4, A8. B squared times B squared, B4. Question 4. 4.1. When we multiply and base are the same way, add the exponents. So 4 plus 6 is, 4 plus 2 is 6. A6. The next one. This can be written as 27x 5y cubed over 9x cubed y. 9 going to 9 once, 9 into 27 3 times. More x on top, so it's going to be x5 minus 3 is 2. And there's no number there, so it's a 1. So y cubed over y is going to be y. Remember, when we're dividing and bases are the same, we subtract the exponents. Number 4. Oh, sorry, 4.3. We apply the quadratic, sorry, the exponent. So it's going to be 4, 1 times 2 is 2. A, 2 times 2 is 4. B, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 squared is 16. A4, B4. Or you could have gone from this straight into the answer. You have gotten full marks as well. Next one. 3 marks. You get rid of the brackets first. So 6xy times 3x is going to give you 18x squared y. 6xy times y is 6xy squared. Negative 2xy times 4x is negative 8x squared y. Negative 2xy times 3y is negative 6xy squared. So what I do is I look for like terms now. What makes them like is the variables, the exponents must be the same as well. 18x squared y minus 8x squared y is going to give you 10x squared y. 6x y squared minus 6x y squared cancel. Gives you an answer 10x squared. Correct? The next one we need to do the exponent first. Okay? So that will give you a 1 and a 1 there. So it's going to be 3ab squared times 2 squared is 4. A6b squared over 2a5b4. I'm going to multiply the top out first. 3 times 4 is 12. A7b4 over 2a5b4. 2 going into 1, 2 going into 12, 6 times. It's 6a. A7 over a5 is a squared and the b4 is cancelled. Answer is 6a squared. So here we have to put each one of its own, that we can simplify. So it's 25m cubed n squared over negative 5mn. Plus 5mn over negative 5mn. Plus 15m cubed n cubed over negative 5mn. What's positive divided by negative? Negative. 5 into 5 once, 5 into 25 5 times. M cubed over m is going to be m squared, n squared over n is going to give you n. Positive divided by negative is negative. That cancels, leaves you with 1. Positive divided by negative is negative. 5 into 5 once, 5 into 15, 3 times. M cubed over n is going to give you m cubed over m squared. N cubed over n squared. You'll see this looks almost the same, but it's not. Okay, so the answer is negative 5m squared minus 1 minus 3m squared n squared. The last question, the bonus question, we are told that Amir thinks of a number and calls it x. He doubles the number. So if he doubles, it becomes 2x, so 2 times x, or x times 2. And then subtracts 3 from it. From. Whatever follows from, you right? He doubles the number and then subtracts 3 from it, means from the number. That's right. Calculate if x is equal to 2. So if x is equal to 2, that's going to be 2 times 2 minus 3. 2 times 2 is 4 and 4 minus 3 is 1. People, that's how you answer that paper. Okay, not the way you guys have done. People, the question paper and memo can be found in the description box below. Okay. We did the whole paper now, no? In less than 20 minutes.